Webflow just added AI to make sites faster. That's wrong. What they actually did is re-architect Webflow around AI as a core system. And that has way bigger implications than most designers realize. Here is the key thing to understand. Webflow isn't adding AI tools. They are replacing entire workflows, design, content, CMS, SEO, even app logic. Instead of jumping between tools, prompts now flow through the platform. Yes, there is an AI site builder. You type a prompt, you get a site. But if you think this is just another template generator, you are missing the point. This builder doesn't just spit out pages. It generates structure, layout logic, styles, and content that respect a design system. That's the shift. AI isn't generating pixels, it's generating decisions. The AI assistant is the most underrated part. It's context aware, it knows your CMS, it knows your styles, it knows your page hierarchy. That means when you ask it to change something, it doesn't guess, it operates inside constraints. That's how you go from AI toy to a professional tool. Here's where Webflow crossed a line. You can now generate real production grade components and app logic, not mockups. Dashboards, calculators, interactive tools connected to CMS, styled to your system. This is Webflow saying you don't just build websites here, you ship products. AI content isn't exciting anymore until it's wired directly into your CMS. Bulk generation, variants, localized content. This removes the slowest part of most teams, publishing and iteration. And yes, this is where agencies quietly make more money with fewer people. SEO isn't glamorous, but Webflow AI automates the parts that kill momentum. Meta tags, alt text, schema, accessibility checks, even AEO, optimizing for AI search answers, not just Google links. This isn't advice, these are fixes baked into the publishing flow. What the feature page doesn't say, but matters. Now let's talk about what Webflow doesn't highlight enough. First, this is not hands-off. If you let AI drive without direction, you will get average work fast. Second, AI works because it reads your design system. No system is equal to generic output. Third, complex products still need human logic. AI compresses cycles, it doesn't replace thinking. This is the part almost nobody is talking about. Webflow now exposes an MCP server, Model Context Protocol. Webflow is preparing to be AI native infrastructure, not just a UI. This means external AI agents can understand your site structure, your CMS schema, your components, your design rules. This is how autonomous workflows get built. Not prompts, not buttons, systems talking to systems. Zoom out. Webflow is positioning itself as a design system, a CMS, a deployment platform, an AI execution layer that's dangerously close to being the operating system for the web. Who wins from this? If you're a solo founder, you ship faster. Agency, higher margins. Startup, fewer dependency. Designer, more leverage. If you ignore this shift, you will still be designing pages while others are shipping systems. This isn't about AI hype, it's about control plus speed at scale. If you want a breakdown of how to actually use Webflow AI to build leverage, not just prettier sites, follow. I'm going deep into this.